Hi, hello guys. So, my name is Christopher once again, known as Chris Loloy PH. So, if baguhan pa po kayo sa page ko, if bago nyo po nakita ito, is just to let you know, is I am actually doing content related to Maxim service. So, if you are one of our rider, or gusto mo, kumbaga gusto mo na maging isang part ng Maxim service, I can recommend you to follow my Facebook page for you to be aware the update in regards with our service. Okay? So by the way, I'm doing this video for now, no? Gumawa po ako ng video. Tagalogin ko na. Sulit-sulitin ko na guys. Tagalogin ko na po para magkaintindihan tayo, not only for my riders here in Cebu, but of course, my target is to give awareness not only for my riders, but of course to the entire rider all over Philippines. Regardless if you are from Mindanao, if you are in Visayas, or if you are in Luzon. Okay? Because I believe a majority of us will be able to understand Filipino or Tagalog dialect. So what would be my topic for today? No? Ikaw ba ay isang driver na and you have like concern, you have questions in your mind? What is the difference between feedback and what is the difference between violation? No? Feedback and violation. Ano ba ang kaibahan ni feedback and ni violation? Okay. Guys, isa-isahin ko po sa inyo kung ano po yung kaibahan. Yung mga driver pumunta sa office, "Sir, bakit may violation akong ganito, ganyan? Nakikita ko po sa system, bakit ganito, ganyan?" Okay? So, as of today, I have to explain to you step-by-step process the differentiation or ang kaibahan, the difference between the feedback and a violation. Okay? Feedback and a violation. So, we are Maxim service, right? So, ganito guys. Lahat po ng transaction natin is pwede po si customer na magbigay ng feedback. There are two types of feedback. It's either positive or it's either negative. Okay? So, these two sign, pag kinumplete nyo po yung order or booking, transaction ni customer, magre-reflect po sa account ni customer yung ito, which is positive feedback, and ito, this is a negative feedback. Negative, positive. Alright? So now, I want to differentiate ano po yung kaibahan dito. Na-experience nyo po bang pumunta kayo sa isang mall or sa isang kainan? Halimbawa, napakasarap yung pagkain, pero napakainit yung lugar. So, siguro, mabibigay ka ng feedback base doon na masarap yung pagkain nila. Kaso lang, mainit yung lugar nila. So, yun tayong mga tao is may masasabi talaga tayo always. May masasabi talaga tayo. It's either the positive side or it's either the negative side. Okay? That is what we call feedback. Okay? That is what we call feedback. Uulitin ko po ha, para magkaintindihan tayo. Kung pupunta ka sa isang lugar or kakainan or anuman, inuman, birthday, minsan sasabihin natin, ang sarap ng pagkain ng mga karne, kaso hindi matamis yung macaroni or hindi matamis yung spaghetti, di ba? That is what we call feedback. So, naintindihan nyo kung ano ang kaibahan ng feedback, kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng feedback, di ba? So, yung feedback guys, mayroong positive at mayroong negative. So, now, I want to give you a differentiation. Pag sabihin mo, masarap yung pagkain, positive. Mainit yung lugar, that is negative side. Okay? So, now, kung naintindihan nyo is I want you to relate. Gusto kong i-connect ang halimbawa ko niyan, i-connect natin sa example na halimbawa sa Maxim. So, I want to connect it. Okay? So, now, since I'm going to connect it, ang masasabi ko sa inyo is Kung may customer ka, posible si customer ay magbibigay ng feedback sa iyo. No? It's either the feedback is positive or it's either negative. So let's see, for instance, number 1, nagbubook si customer sa iyo. Napakaganda ng ugali mo, napakalinis ng pagmumukha mo. Anong masabi ni customer? Wow! Pogi to ha. Wow. Dapat ganito lahat ng Maxim Rider. Posibleng ganon. Pero kung attitude ka, halimbawa hindi nagustuhan ni customer yung pag-uugali mo, hindi nagustuhan ni client yung pag-deal mo sa kanya, maaari ding may masasabi itong si client na attitude ka, rudeness ka. Pero guys, iba't iba kasi yung prinsipyo natin. We have different principle in life. Iba't iba din yung mga upbringing ng ating pamilya. What do we call by upbringing? So, meaning, halimbawa sa pamilya namin hindi kami sanay sa bad words. Like, pamalikas ba? Bad words, pamalikas. So, hindi kami sanay. Meron din yung pamilya na yung upbringing nila, kahit hindi sila galit, is nagmumura. So, ginawa nilang expression. No? Ginawa nilang expression. Nagmumura sila. Nagmumurahan. Pero sa kanila is parang hindi, wala lang yun sa kanila. Because that is their upbringing. Pero just to let you know, hindi natin pwede dalhin sa trabaho kung ano man yung upbringing ninyo sa inyong pamilya. We need to follow the standard of handling customer service. We are doing service, right? I am the manager of Maxim Service, and you are the Maxim partner delivery, and you are also doing service. So now, it's our responsibility to provide good service with our customers. Kasi kahit gaano, minsan kasi, kahit gaano kaganda yung treatment mo sa kanya, minsan may masasabi talaga yung tao. So may masasabi talaga yung tao. Kung ano man yung sinasabi ng tao, kung ano man yung masasabi niya tungkol sa performance mo, tungkol sa pag-uugali mo, that is what we call feedback. Okay? That is what we call feedback. Regardless if that is negative or regardless if that is a positive. So kung ano yung sasabihin nila sa inyo, that is what we call feedback. That is why sa taxi driver application, mayroong nakalagay na negative feedback and mayroong positive feedback. Okay? Mayroong negative at saka mayroong positive feedback. And now, paano naging violation? No? Kasi yung topic ko ngayon is what is the difference between feedback and what is the difference between violation? Feedback and a violation. Now guys, in regards with the negative feedback, maaari po tayong magkaroon ng violation. Again, regarding sa negative feedback is maaari po tayong magkaroon ng violation at maaaring hindi. Kasi guys, we are doing business Maxim as the admin team sa operation is we really appreciate clients who are sending feedback. Why? Because in the very beginning, we, the admin, the managers, we are not aware. Hindi namin alam kung paano nyo tinatrato yung mga customers natin, kung paano nyo hinahandle yung mga customers natin. That is why sa end namin, we really appreciate if you are giving customers who are giving feedbacks. Because with that feedbacks, there are chance that yung mga pagkakamali natin, yung mga hindi nila nagustuhan, is we have the chance to correct. We have the chance, kung mababa yung standard natin, we have the chance to level up. No? Because of that feedback. That feedbacks will help us improve our service. But just to let you know, Maxim Service is not biased company. Why? We love to listen both parties. Kinsa man na sila. We love to listen. Maunang maminaw mi sa customer, maminaw mi sa driver. Because not all feedback from the customers are kanang katuuhan dayon. And just in case si driver ang mag-feedback, not all feedback nga gikan sa driver are all katuuhan dayon. I will gonna cite you an example. Muingon si customer, dugay kaayo na abot ang inyong driver. Mutuo ba dayon? Mo-believe ba dayon si admin? Probably yes, but we will be basing sa atuang system. We will check the system and we try to look forward. We will verify paano naging matagal. Yung interval is only 3 minutes. Matagal na ba yun? Guys, to the clients who are listening right now, give time also to your driver because especially we are in the city traffic. Napag yung mga stoplight. Dili man pud pwede nga abi kay nakabutang dito 2 minutes. Unya na stoplight nga kuan 120. So unsaon pagtabok? 2 minutes is equivalent to 120 seconds. So unsaon pagtabok sa tong driver? Because 2 minutes ang nakalagay dyan. So kailangan talagang tumawid ni driver kasi, 2 minutes I will be arriving to the customer. No, it's not. That is why we give also consideration to our riders because me personally, I consider those riders that they are our new heroes as of this generation. Nga naman, usahay gabilang ka naman ta sa tua. Mo-order lang ta through application and the food will be delivered right away. No? So, but we, the admins, we are very strict in terms of validating information. So, with that feedback, sa feedback ni customer niyan na matagal daw si driver, we need to check. And if we are going to validate it, and as per validating is hindi naman matagal, bigyan ba namin ng violation si driver? Of course not! Because as per validation, the reason is acceptable. No? The reason is acceptable. So, that is negative feedback pero hindi siya naging violation because as per validating sa admin or namin, mga monitoring department or sa team namin, acceptable, hindi karapat-dapat, hindi acceptable yung feedback ni client, neutral, so hindi namin bigyan ng violation. But in some cases, in-accept mo yung order ni client, tapos kumuha ka ng ibang order, hindi mo dinideliver, magsisend ng feedback itong si client, and it will turns into violation. Kaya ka papasokan ng violation. Bakit? In the very beginning, that is not allowed sa Maxim. We are not into double booking. Diba? We are not into double booking. So, maaari kang mabigyan ng violation kasi hindi mo pa dinideliver yung isang order, kumuha ka ng ibang order. And as per validating, makikita namin na early completion of order, kinomplete mo siya kahit hindi mo pa na-deliver, and that is what we call violation. Feedback, and na-validate ni manager, tapos totoo naman yung mali ni driver, so kaya naging violation. Ang violation mo guys, hindi po ibig sabihin na kontra ka na mo. No, dili. We want you only to be corrected for us not to be able to encounter the same scenario in the near future. Para malikayan na nato. That is why we are very thankful aning a feedback because kaning a feedback, it's somehow like it can help us to improve our service. You gets? Nakuha nimo? What is the difference between feedback and a violation? Ang feedback, pwede may mong violation, pwedeng dili. Depende sa validation sa manager if ang gi-report ni client accepted or not. Kaya naapoy mo ingon uban nga client nga uwagon man ni inyong driver. Naapod, na uwagon. Kay giliko daw siya sa dalan. Unya pag-check namo kay nananghid ay si driver. No? Katong mga previous, karon wala naman na yung mga feedback kinon ana. So giliko daw siya dalan sa mga ana. So sa una na ana siya. Pero karon wala na. Napoy uban driver nga gikuhaan another feedback, mo-feedback si client, nakuwangan ang amuang kuan, nakuwangan ang amuang gi-deliver 20 to kabuk ang naabot 12 na lang. And of course, we need to validate unsay item, ma'am. Mauni mauna. And did you wrap it up? Imo na siyang gikuan? Yes. Karon na-open ba? Naabay markings dira nga inablihan? Wala, sir. So alangan unsaon man namo? Gawas lang kung naa kay video dira nga giihap na nimo 20 ka buok, pag dispatch nimo ni driver, makit-an gid mo sa video nga gi-dispatch nimo 20. Pero gitape na nimo daan, ay ko pag igna nagpalit patog tape si driver kay gibungkag niya imong delivery. Kay para kuhaon niya ang 8 ka buok kay 12 raman kaha. Naka-tape man siya daan, unya imo pag yung gi-box. So bali kung 22, bali muawa sa imong box. Unya wala man mo man to nga box. So alangan na mag-abuag yung kuhaan og access si driver. Kay akong ipakuha ang access si driver as per validating, wala man ma'am kay ang box ang masulod sa box 12 raman. Unya 20 man kay mong ikuan. So mao ni nga box dili, mao na nga box. So di man masulod ang 20 dito. So unsaon man dili man mi one-sided, sakit kay sa inyong buot. No, inana mi muhatag og discussion, inana mi mo validate. Okay, so that is munay kalainan. What is the difference between feedback and a violation? So feedback is very important. So violation, mahimo na siyang violation just in case ma-confirm, ma-validate sa manager nga dapat gid i-correct. Pero kung wala gi sayop si driver, mahimo ra gitong wala ang feedback ni client, but of course i-validate namo both sides. Okay? So I hope nasabtan ninyo guys ha. I hope nasabtan. If you still have another confusion and if you would like me to tackle another topic, please comment down below. Unya wala ko'y chance nga mo reply yung daghan, basahon na nako unya tubagon ta mo sa live nako video. Okay? Thank you guys and good afternoon, amping ta always. Sa Maxim, makasigurado ka nga walay bias, patas tanan. So download Maxim app now and please share this video. My name is Chris Loloy PH. Bye for now.